Exploration is a junior exploration company. We have our key project in Wawa, Ontario, which is close to what people would be familiar with as Alamos Gold. We have two current resources on the property. One 600,000 ounces, just over 5.5 grams per ton. The other is what we call the Minto Mine South, and it's more typical of higher grade greenstone type Canadian deposits, and it's approximately 100,000 ounces at just over 7 grams per ton, and inferred and indicated. We've been involved with this project for approximately 6 years. We had a complicated ownership structure at the start. However, last year we raised $20 million to get out of a joint venture agreement. We purchased our joint venture partner for $11.2 million. And then we've been exploring since then with considerable success, just proving that the resources extend to depth, down dip, and along strike. Yeah, we've been supported quite well by Haywood. We did a bought deal with them last August for $8 million, and just last week we announced another bought deal with Haywood as lead in Canaccord and Laurentian for $5 million. I think that just speaks to the quality of our project. In today's market space, just trying to raise funds is difficult, but to have the opportunity to have a bought deal is excellent. I mean, the Wawa Gold project is, I suggest we're in an enviable position of what we call the Michipicoten Greenstone Belt. The other great thing is we have third-party interest in the fact that Alamos Gold owns 19.3% of us, and they have participated in all our financing, including this last bought deal. So the third-party validation, a known jurisdiction, excellent infrastructure, and we're a company that really focuses highly on our technical ability, so our money goes into the ground, and that's what we do. And we're focused on we have a plan, we know what we want to do, and that's just to prove that there's more ounces in the ground. Well, we've just completed what we referred to as our phase 1 exploration program for this year, and that was just over 25,000 meters of drilling. We have a number of assays pending. We know and expect that those will be fairly good because we have a lot of visible gold in our core, and are starting to find more. With the $5 million we raised, 2 of that is hard dollars, which is to support us for 1 year of G&A, a little longer. And the remainder will allow us to continue drilling on the property for at least the next 6 months. Yeah, assay results, I think everyone's suffering the same issue as us. They're always slower than we want. Okay, we have quite a backlog of assay results, probably over 2,000 assays in the labs at the moment that we're waiting for results on. However, we've taken steps to mitigate that. We do that by putting in assays twice weekly, and we're also focused on the zones of higher interest. What that should allow us to do is have consistent news releases going forward for the next at least 8 months. Well, Red Pine, I think, is, at a precipice now. Again, I mentioned that we are focused. We know what we have to do. We're setting this up with a known partner to just prove that there's more ounces in the ground. And I think once that's proven and we've de-risked this project enough, the goal is probably to be an acquisition target.